What's going on, guys? Today I've got 5 brand new tweaks for the month of April. Alright, so it's early April and we're starting off the month pretty well with some Cydia tweaks that I think you guys are going to like. So first up is DoubleDock. So as you guys can see here, right off the hop, I've got 10 icons in my dock. And you can pretty much just drag whatever icons you want. So go into toggle mode, you can drag some icons in and some icons out and just switch up whatever you like. So that's it for this one. It's really simple. You can go ahead and install this one for 99 cents from the Big Boss repo. So that's really all there is to it. So as much as I swipe across here, I've only got 3 layers of icons and then 2 layers of dock. So I really like this one. It's really simple, really easy, so make sure to check it out. So next up is UsefulIcons. This one's 99 cents from the Mod My Eye repo. And what this one will allow you to do is it gives you 12 dynamic springboard icons that are toggles. So it kind of replaces the toggles from SB settings and NC settings. I've used all of those different toggle applications from Cydia and I really like this one. I think I prefer this one above all the rest of them only because it's so simple. You can add them to one folder and have them right there on your springboard, so no activator methods. But anyways, let me just show you how it works. They are dynamic, so when you tap the icons they actually toggle, so Wi-Fi is now disabled. You can see that there. Let's go ahead and re-enable it. Let's go ahead and turn the flashlight on here. So all kinds of functionality from this really simple tweak. Again, this one's only 99 cents, so definitely well worth it if you like the idea of having all of your toggles right there on your springboard or in a folder. So check this one out, guys. I think you're gonna like that one. Alright, next up is ColorClock. This is another really simple one, and believe me, I'm saving the best 2 for last. So ColorClock, this one is absolutely free from the Mod My Eye repo, and once you download it, you'll see these settings here in your settings application. You just scroll down to ColorClock here and just tap into that. So this just lets you change the color of your lock screen clock. So let me just show you how it is right now. Once you install it, it'll come as a default black, so you can barely see that, but thanks for the comment, by the way. But you can change these however you like. I don't like how it doesn't show you what is red, green, and blue, because this is all based on RGB. So you've got one for red, one for green, one for blue, but it doesn't really label it. But that's okay. Let's just have fun with it and see what we get. So let's do that. I'm not sure if you have to respring in order to activate it. Let's see. No, it goes right away. So that's really cool. If you guys can't see there, I've got this purple for the numbers and then the blue for the text. Hopefully that comes clear on the camera. So this one's really cool, really fun. So definitely make sure to check this one out. It's called ColorClock from the Mod My Eye repo. Alright, so the next tweak I've got for you guys today is called VUZIQ. I think it's supposed to be pronounced VUZIQ. I'm not 100% sure. So VUZIQ will let you create a video ringtone from any YouTube video that's out there on YouTube. So let's go ahead and search for a YouTube video. Tunak Ton. Probably my favorite YouTube video ever. Alright, so there it is. Let's go ahead and tap on that one. And then you can pretty much trim the video however you like. So let's go ahead and download it first. Alright, so once your download is done, it'll give you a little vibration. And you can go ahead and go to video clips. There we go. You can turn that on. And you can just start editing your video. And this video, really, you can choose any clip from this video and it's going to be hilarious. But let's go ahead and choose, yeah, sure, let's go and do that. So it'll trim the video. Alright, so once you're done trimming and editing your video, you can just tap on home and you can see it there. So you got my videos, you can just tap on that and that'll just play it. Alright, so let's test this out. I'm going to use Skype to call myself. Alright, so there it is. So my video is playing right there. Unfortunately, we have a little ad at the bottom here, but the video is playing just as expected. So I can just go ahead and answer that. And if you haven't watched the video, Tunak Ton, go ahead and watch that video. It's one of the instant YouTube classics. I actually sat and watched it for about 18 minutes in a row one time. But anyways, that's VUZIQ right there. So you can go ahead and assign video ringtones, which is really kind of cool, I guess, if you're into that. I probably won't be using it myself, but kind of cool concept, so make sure to go ahead and check that out. Alright, so the last tweak I've got for you guys today is called Aero, and this one comes from the Mod My Eye repo for $1.99, and this one will basically replace the multitasking app switcher. So when you double tap on your home button, you've got this completely different app switcher here, which is really cool. But this is really just the tip of the iceberg. You can go ahead and change anything that you want from the activation method, of course. So I've got it at the double tap to replace my native multitasking switcher. But you can go ahead and do overlay mode, which will pretty much make the background a bit more translucent rather than like a completely opaque theme. So let's go ahead and take that off. We've got these small icons, so when you double tap, your icons will be a little bit smaller. Plus, of course, you can change your animation. So right now it's set on cover flow. You can go ahead and change that to, let's go linear. And that just makes it like a more regular app switcher, which we're used to. Rotary, this is where it gets kind of interesting. So with rotary, you've got like this carousel type of app switcher. All right, so let's go with wheel. Let's see what this one looks like. So with wheel, there we go. It's kind of like a Wheel of Fortune idea going on right there. Plus, you can set it to vertical mode as well. So there's got a couple more options. So with vertical mode on, let's set this to rotary. Let's see what we get. There we go. So we got this Price is Right kind of wheel going on here. This vertical wheel. So let's go back. Let's turn that back off. And let's see what other animations we've got. So there's cylinder. Let's check out cylinder. Cylinder is kind of similar to the rotary one. And then we've got, what else? Time Machine. This is the last one, and there's different alternates of it, but Time Machine, I really like this one actually. Kind of really nice animation. Kind of looks like the Windows 7 app switcher. But anyway, so yeah, that's Aero. Lots of different options that you can set. You can set the background as well. So instead of linen, you've got showcase, and that will show when you have the overlay mode off. So here in the background, you've got this like kind of dotted background, the black with the gray dots. Icon reflection as well. Go ahead and change that, turn that on. Whoops, I exited the application. So you can see the reflections there. So lots to configure. Have fun with this one. Again, it's $1.99 from the Mod My iRepo, and this is definitely at the top of the list for me. I really like this one, and it's going to be definitely staying as my main app switcher. So check this one out, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure if you did enjoy it, you click that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to the Tech Prodigy 7 channel, and of course the Jailbreak City channel. Make sure to follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, and check me out on Google+. All the links will be in the description below. And like always, for more themes, tweaks, news, and reviews, make sure to check out jailbreakcity.com. See you later, guys. Peace.